Dry out. To become completely dry after being wet or to remove deep moisture. I left my clothes on the roof in the sun to dry out. The plant dried out due to the lack of water. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something, usually by wiping or air drying. Please dry off your hair with towel. Clear out. To remove things from a place to make it empty. I cleared out some junk things from my room. Wash up. To clean your hands, face, body or dishes with water and soap. I will wash up my hands before lunch. Wash off. To remove dirt, dust, or stains from something with water. She needs to wash off the all dishes. Burn out. To stop working because of overuse used for machines or electrical items. The toaster machine burned out yesterday. Scrub off. To clean or remove something by rubbing it hard with a brush, cloth, or hand. I am scrubbing off the stains on the floor in my room. Sweep up. To clean the floor using a broom. I sweep up the room 10 minutes ago. Dust off. To remove dust from a surface. I will dust off the furniture in my room. Next part link in the description and info cards on YouTube video.